Welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are looking at Wendy Supreme DK. The cheapest that I found this at the time of recording is £1.79 from the Wool Warehouse. It is the cheapest by a long shot. Now the Wendy Supreme I know was quite popular when it came to showing the haul, but it's time for me to review it. 100 grams in the colour lilac, although we're not judging the colour, we're reviewing how it works and what it feels like. It is 100% premium acrylic, 4mm hook needed. Well, I'm going to be using a 5.5, but we'll see. It feels okay. Like as I go like that, I can feel each strand of the wool. Holding it, I can feel every strand, but that doesn't mean it's coarse or it's rough. It's not overly soft. It's okay, but I can feel it. So, where are we going to start? There we go. Let's see how this works up. Now, as this is going, or has gone now, by the time you're seeing this, it has gone to a winner. I'm only going to do a small swatch example because I don't want to use too much when it belongs to somebody else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And let's go in for a row of single crochets. Now, yes, I know the hook that I'm using is too big for a DK. We're not here to judge my crochet. We're here to see how it works up. It is squeaking on the hook already. I can feel it vibrating through the hook. And the hook is by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. She makes all sorts of things and custom makes to your design. Unless you don't have a design, and then she can do something random. She's good at surprising people too. But you choose the hook size. You choose what it looks like, colouring, whether you want lots of animals all over your hook, whether you just want your name on it, polka dots, glittery confetti. Okay, let's do one more row. It's curling quite a bit. It doesn't feel too bad. Some nice stitch definition in it. I know, again, I'm using a bigger hook, but stitch definition is quite nice. Would I put it in the same league as our most popular Starcraft DK? No, I wouldn't. But squeaking is driving me nuts. It feels, and I know this makes no sense, but it feels thinner than a DK as I'm using it. I know that makes no sense. Don't ask me for sense because I have no sense. So I think even with a smaller hook, there's some definite nice stitch definition in there. Let's see how we do with the frog. I have high hopes for the frogging. And I was expecting it to be a little bit splitty, and it didn't. Okay, fast frog. Hardly any kinkage. Well, there's a bonus. Okay, so let's wrap this back up. Please note the winner of this. Nothing is cut off from these. It was only used temporarily. So there we go. Not bad. I didn't check the stretch on it. Very, very little stretch. Very little stretch. Wendy. Would I give you 1? Nah. Would I give you 2 ladybirds? Nah. Would I give you 3? Nah. I might give you a 3.5 though. Seems to be a popular choice around here. 3.5. It's not overly soft. It does. You can feel the bumps in it. You can feel every thread. It squeaks almost straight away. It was squeaking. It's good on the frog, I give you. Me personally, it doesn't feel quite right in the fingers or on the skin. So I wouldn't want to make any clothing out of it, personally speaking. But it's not bad. It is not bad, as long as you can put up with that squeak. So my review, as a lot of the time, 3.5 out of 5 ladybirds. Maybe whoever got this, you might rate it higher. You might rate it lower. Heck, if you've tried it and you weren't the winner, you have your own score. This is all personal preference. And this was mine, 3.5 out of 5 ladybirds. Maybe come back next week for the next review. What could it be? Who knows? But we'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.